The content of this video is related to the gradient ramp widget type. You can see information related to this widget type on this web page. This is the video outline of this video. Let me read it to you. First, opening. Second, objectives. Third, opening theory. Fourth, setting up in Blynk.Console. Fifth, working. Third, opening theory. The gradient widget provides intuitive data visualization through a sloped bar with a smooth color gradient. It's designed to represent values on a continuous scale, helping users interpret trends, thresholds, and performance metrics at a glance. Common use cases include displaying signal strength, temperature levels, battery status. About settings you can see here. And here, limits of the widget type. Fourth, setting up in Blynk.Console. Fifth, working.